Imagine a world where the most powerful tool in your backpack is also the most affordable. For years, we've been told that pro performance requires a pro price tag. We've been led to believe that if you want the cutting edge, the artificial intelligence, the blistering speeds, the future of computing, you have to pay a premium. But something is changing behind the closed doors of Apple Park. A shift is coming that will render the high-end market unrecognizable. This isn't just about a new tablet. This is about the iPad 12th generation, the device that is about to kill the iPad Pro. If you're watching this right now, you've probably felt the frustration. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. You want the latest Apple intelligence, you want to edit 4K video, you want to play AAA games, but you don't want to drop $1,000 on a glass slab. For the last few years, the base model iPad has been the safe choice, the student choice. But with the 12th gen, Apple is doing something they almost never do. They are giving the entry-level model the keys to the kingdom. In this video, we are going to dive into the architecture of a device that shouldn't exist. We are going to explore why Apple is skipping generations of silicon to put the A18 and potentially the A19 chip into a $349 body. We're going to talk about the secret RAM upgrades that Apple doesn't want to advertise, the display technology that's finally catching up, and why this specific iPad is the most important release of 2026. If you think you know the iPad, think again. By the end of this video, you will understand why buying a Pro model right now might be the biggest mistake you could make. Let's start with the why. Why now? Why would Apple disrupt their own pricing ladder? The answer is simple. Apple Intelligence. We are living in the dawn of the AI era. The previous iPad 11, despite being a solid machine, had one fatal flaw: it was locked out of the future. It didn't have the neural horsepower to run the localized AI models that Apple is betting its entire company on. Apple realized that if their budget iPad couldn't run their most important software, the entire ecosystem would crumble. So, they went back to the drawing board. The iPad 12 isn't just a spec bump, it's a total internal reconstruction. Underneath that familiar aluminum chassis lies the A18 chip, the same silicon powerhouse found in the flagship iPhone 16 Pro. This isn't a watered-down version. We're talking about a 6-core CPU and a 5-core GPU that can handle complex generative AI tasks in milliseconds. When you tap to remove an object from a photo or ask Siri to summarize a 100-page document, the iPad 12 won't send that data to a server. It processes it right there, in your hands, with the same speed as a device twice its price. But the chip is only half the story. The real bottleneck for the entry-level iPad has always been memory. For years, Apple was stingy with RAM, giving us just enough to get by. But AI is a memory-hungry beast. This is why the iPad 12th Gen is rumored to be the first standard iPad to ship with 8 GB of RAM as the absolute baseline. This changes the game for multitasking. Imagine having Final Cut Pro open in one window, a research paper in another, and a dozen browser tabs in the background, all without a single stutter. This is the kind of performance we used to pay $800 for. Now, it's becoming the standard. Now, let's look at the screen. The 11-inch liquid retina display has been a staple of the iPad for a while, but for the 12th gen, Apple is addressing the feel of the device. There has been a lot of talk about the air gap, the space between the